Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use a Taco Bell gift card on DoorDash. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive in. First, open the DoorDash app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom right corner and tap on Me. This will take you to your account section. From there, tap on Settings, which you will find listed among the options. Inside the settings menu, look for gift card and tap on it. Now you will see a button in the top right corner that says redeem. Tap on it and you will be prompted to enter the gift card code. This code can either come from a physical card or an e-card, so make sure you have it handy. Carefully type in the code, double checking to ensure there are no errors. Once the code is entered, tap on redeem to your account. And that's it, your Taco Bell gift card is now added to your DoorDash account and ready to use for your next order. See how simple that was? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.